let's get started. I'm Hunter with Swamp Fox Overland.
My name's Rich with Swamp Fox Overland.
For you. The Shanty Chef Trophy. We're overlanding.
We are Swamp Fox Overland and Outdoor.
Welcome back to the channel. My name is Rich with Swamp Fox Overland and Outdoor, and I'm with Colin Barbalis with Modulus Racing. And this cool contraption is an RTI ramp. Some of you might know what it is, but we're gonna have Colin tell us what that is. Colin, what's an RTI ramp?
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, man.
RTI stands for Ramp Travel Index, and it is a measurement tool that you can use an off-road vehicle or an on-road vehicle, take your pick. You drive it up the ramp with one tire, and we measure how far up the ramp you get. You then compare that proportionally to your wheelbase. That kind of levels the playing field for long and short vehicles, and you get a score between 1 and 1,000. 1,000 is a perfect score. That means you drove as far up the ramp as your vehicle is long. You can score over 1,000 if you have a lot of suspension flex. And the purpose of this is really just to get a baseline of kind of an indicator of how good your vehicle will handle off-road, at least in the slower and the rock crawling, that kind of thing. There's so many variables that can go into any build or any trail, but this is going to get a good baseline, and it's a measurement tool that you can come back to time after you've made modifications and see, am I going to do better? Am I going to do worse? How does it just feel to be off camber? This is a good way to kind of get that feeling before you're tipping into a tree.
Absolutely.
Stay comfortable.
I think vehicle stability is really, really important when you're out on the trails, because you want to know where your tipping points are. You want to know what your vehicle is capable of. But this is a good way to make it easy and repeatable in a way that you can measure, because science. And that's what we love. Colin told me a really interesting thing. All of the metal on this RTI ramp was donated, right?
It was. We put up some sponsorship banners when we go to events, you know, charity events, Overland South, that kind of thing. But for just a little demo day with Richard here, we're going to keep it clean. But one of the banners that goes up is from Metal Supermarkets. They are a national kind of franchisee chain, but each local shop is run by a family. And the family for here in Charleston that runs our local one is incredible. We had, with the help of Charleston Off-Road, we reached out to them, told them what we wanted to do, what a ramp like this does, how we use it within the community. We're bringing it out to another one of Swamp Fox's events later in the summer to raise a lot of money. They donated every ounce or pound of steel in this entire ramp. This ramp weighs almost 2,000 pounds. There's a lot that goes into it, and they didn't even bat an eye. They said, we support you, we support our community, and they just gave it all to us, and then we built it from the ground up from there. So thank you to them for all that help.
I love it. And let's take a look at this thing. This thing is pretty badass.
That's one badass ramp. Does that thing really have shocks and off-road tires? That's more tires than most Toyotas. But, in fairness, that thing takes someone a lot smarter than me to design for it to hold a truck like that. You think it's really going to hold?
Of course, we've got Mayari back here. She's a new build, and we don't know what the hell she can do. So, we're about to put her on the ramp, and we're about to drive up it and see what we get as far as an RTI score.
Well, that thing flexed out pretty well. And it did hold the weight. How about that? Look at how much flex this thing has. Can anybody read the measurement? Well, no matter what, it looks good. And look at that tire stuff. Yeah, that worked out.
Nice. All right.
Measure your wheelbase unless you know it off the top of your head.
I don't. Not one bit.
Hold it right in the center of the hub.
137 and a half.
83 divided by 137 and a half times 1,000.
He's making me do math out here. 603.6363.
There you go. So that's out of 1,000 points. 1,000 points is a perfect score. That means you traveled up the ramp as far as you are long. So you are 60-some% of the way there.
I'll take 60%. Nice. Well, now we get to see how that's going to compare when we lift this thing up and put it on larger tires. So stay tuned for that. Wanted to take a second to thank Colin for his hospitality and for letting us use this cool toy. Not a toy, a precision instrument. It's a precision instrument. But thank you to Modulus Racing. You guys are awesome. I appreciate the support.
Yeah, let's do it when it's not 95 degrees
That's
next time.
100%. Swamp ass for Swamp Fox is a thing.
God.
That's what we do. Anyways, you guys take care.
Thank you for taking the time to watch this episode. If you like what we're doing out here, please be sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell to be reminded that we're out here. Also, don't forget the second annual Swamp Fox Truck Show is on September 26th. Be there. We are Swamp Fox Overland and Outdoor. Until next time.